Hey everybody, real quick video today. I just wanted to show something that we have here that I thought was pretty cool, that we do sell. This is a real teak bollard. So it's 100% real wood, real teak, takes a bi-pin, and it's super unique. Are you going to use it everywhere? No. But down, for instance, in Ocean Reef Club, down in the Keys, they used a whole bunch of these in the tall, hay-looking yellow grass around a bay, and they look absolutely beautiful. And if they're good enough for Ocean Reef Club, they're good enough for anything. If you don't know what that is, Google it. It's pretty cool. But ABR makes these solid wood, except for the center where they get the wire up. Real teak. Again, we have them in stock, guys. They're about 200 bucks a piece because teak is expensive, but in the right area, worth every penny. And I just thought I would let everybody know we have them because they are pretty cool. All right, guys, if you want more information, we got them here. Of course, call us first.